Hello, welcome back. Today we'll see bundles produced by Webpack. So these are the bundles which are produced by the Webpack. Main.js is the file which contains compiled output from the src folder. Runtime.js is a file that contains code that loads other modules. Styles.js is a file that contains code that adds CSS style sheets. Vendor.js is a file that contains third-party packages the app depends on and Angular dependencies. Polyfills.js is a file that contains code required by the app that are not supported by the target process. Means, say suppose if you are running an app on a browser like Chrome or Edge or whatever, there are some browsers or the old version of browsers where your app doesn't run. So that dependency would be given by this polyfills.js. So if you have this polyfills.js, this supports your app to run on old browsers. So that is why we have this file. So I hope you got this. Main.js has the compiled output of your src app folder. Runtime.js loads other modules. Styles.js adds CSS global CSS style sheets. Vendor.js has third-party packages and Angular dependencies. Polyfills.js has the code which is supported, which are not supported by target browser, helps your app to run on old browser. So that is it. Thank you.